Classroom actions are important verbs that describe what you do in a learning environment. Today, we will learn 6 key verbs that are used every day in school. These verbs are read, write, listen, speak, study, and learn. Knowing these words helps you understand and use English better. Translate, read, means to look at words and understand their meaning. You can read books, stories, or instructions. Reading helps you learn new things and improve your vocabulary. Try to read quietly in class or read for fun at home. Translate, write, means to create letters, words, or sentences using a pen, pencil, or keyboard. You write answers in your notebook and write letters or stories. Writing helps you practice spelling and grammar and share your ideas. Translate, listen, means to pay attention to sounds or speech to understand what someone is saying. You listen to your teacher, classmates, or instructions carefully. Good listening helps you learn better and follow directions. Translate, speak, means to use your voice to say words and communicate with others. You can speak English in class, talk to your friends, and answer questions. Speaking helps you practice pronunciation and gain confidence. Translate, study, means to spend time practicing and understanding your schoolwork. You study for tests and review vocabulary. Translate, learn, means to gain new knowledge or skills from study or experience. Learning happens when you understand and remember new information.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.